Video. I finally got the seats in. I think in the last video I said that the white roll bar I put in there didn't work, but this came out a lot better. So now I got all the seatbelt attached to the back seatbelt bar. I got these right here off Amazon. They look exactly like the Bronx without the label. They're aftermarket shot. But I got these. They look pretty good, comfortable. They're on the bracket now. Seatbelt's all tied in. It's real nice and strong. So I'm all set with that. Yeah, I just want to throw out a quick video to let you see how seats came out. They look pretty good. So now I am getting the motor Friday for sure. So I'll throw a video out Saturday when I finish building it on the engine stand. And I'll throw another video out when the motor's in and training and everything's all set to go. That's it for now. Be safe. Peace.